All right, this is my final goodbye. Hang in there. It's 11:05. The day is finally here. Miss you guys. Thank you much. It's come down to the wire. It's 3 o'clock. I don't think I have enough time. It's gonna be close. This is my place right now. Still lots to mess, and the shredding is just wasting so much of my precious time. The latest. Right here. Topps baseball cards. I gotta run. It is late. To give something. All right, this is my final goodbye. I cleared out of here. Oh, it was a mess, but I think I can do it. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. And oh my God, it's been nonstop stress. I'm gonna have my agent help clean up, but it's all done. It's all cleared out. I think I just called an Uber pet. He's gonna help me back in tomorrow. All right, wish me luck. Okay. It's LAX and poor pup. She's not happy. Hang in there. It's gonna be over soon, right? Not really. 20 hours, 22 hours. Hello. Thank you. It's 11:05. 11:05. Boarding time's in 20 minutes. It's 11:24. I think I just made it. I made it in line. I can't believe it. It's a complete miracle. I made it. Ooh, hello. Evie, it's me. Don't worry, good job. There we are. Okay. We made it.